Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in ElevenLabs. On our homepage on the left hand side you will see it says voices. Now go and click on voices. You will need to subscribe to their starter plan to do this. Now over on the right hand side you'll see create or clone a voice. Let's go ahead and click on that. And here you will see instant voice clone. And as I said, you will have a need for a subscription. The starter subscription, I think it starts at $5. Just check if they have any specials running at the time. $5 a month, you'll be able to clone your voice, all right? And you get 40,000 credits. So let's go ahead and click on this. Now, here we need to either upload or drag and drop some audio files or video files, or just record an audio. And literally all they require is 10 seconds of audio. So I'm going to go and upload. So over here you can see I've uploaded some audio, and if you do have any background noise in your audio, you will be able to actually remove this as well. So you can just check that. I do not have any audio. This is beautifully crafted, clean audio. And here we are going to click on next. On this page here, you will now be able to add a name in. We can also go ahead and add a label over here. We can add, so this first label is language. So of course we're going to say English. That's fine. You can also add another label over here. So if you click on here, you can actually choose something, say, for example, gender, and we can put in there male. Let's also add in an age. Let's not give my age away. All right, then of course you can add in, let's say, perhaps an accent, because I do have a particular accent. My accent is not here. Don't worry, I'll put it in the description. You're going to come down here. You're going to add a description. Now, what I did was I uploaded an audio clip of my voice to perplexity.ai, and I asked it to describe my voice because, honestly, I wouldn't know how to describe my own voice. But this is what I got from Perplexity, so let's hope that it's accurate. From here, you're just going to go ahead and say save voice. Let's go ahead and test our voice with a generative speech over here. So we're going to go in, click on this, and now we can just go ahead and say my voices up at the top left hand side over here. We are going to choose the voice. Let's go ahead and select it.
Every story is a journey, and every journey brings discovery.
Every story is a journey, and every journey brings discovery. It's not a bad voice clone at all.